Lang, ikaw mag-picture lang ha.
This is
Academic Excellence Award is awarded to Zanboa Lian Apollo Fuente with high honors. She will also receive Conduct Award, Leadership Award, Mathematics Award, Science Award, Science Frisbee, District Level, 3rd place. Mathematics Frisbee, District Level, 1st place. Cluster Level, 2nd place. And Drama Line Competition, Aronawalala, for 5th place. She will also receive certificate of recognition is presented to Lian Apple El Zantoa for serving as the District Federation of Learner Government President of Malala for the school year 2024-2025 in recognition of her exemplary leadership potential, commitment to service, and dedication for promoting student, regular, and active participation in school governance. Given this 12th day of April 2025, Matanao National High School, Matanao Davao del Sur. Signed by our school's division superintendent, Sir Lorenzo E. Mendoza, Section 5. Academic excellence is awarded to
Ay, thank you lang.
Mama Chelsea Dallon with honors. She will also receive Conduct Award, Communication Award, Story Resolution in English, District Level, 1st place. And in Cluster Level, 3rd place. And Drama Line Competition, Aronawalala, 5th place. Academic excellence is awarded to Tumakas Kaya Bato with honors. She will also receive Conduct Award, Mathematics Tower of Hanoi, District Level, 1st place. In Cluster Level, 3rd place. EPP Invitation Card Making, District Level, 5th place. Badminton Municipal Athletic Meet Level, 4th place. Drum Line Competition, Aronawalala, 5th place.
Let's go.
Academic Excellence Award is given to Senegini Zeus Savior Zamora with honors. He will also receive Conduct Award, Athletics Award, Arts Award, Mathematics Sudoku, District Level, 6th place. Table Tennis Municipal Athletic Association, 1st place. And Dr. Daha, 1st place. And he is also an overall level qualifier. And Drawing Line Competition, Aronawalala, 5th place. Academic excellence is given to Dumasig Hana Zayan Peo Mabaga with honors. She will also receive
At this is same.
Conduct Award, ESP Oratorical Speech District Level, 6th place. And Drum and Lyre Competition, Aronawalala, 5th place. Academic Excellence Award is given to Ramos Dato Nerio Imperial with honors. He will also receive Conduct Award, Minecraft District Level, 4th place. Dato del Sur Division Athletic Meet Level, 3rd place. And Drum and Lyre Competition, Aronawalala, 5th place. Academic Excellence Award is given to Karen Yote, Alvin Erididon with honors. He will also receive Conduct Award, Extension Board Making District Level, 6th place. And Badminton Municipal Athletic Meet Association, 5th place. Academic Excellence Award is given to Navarrete Eliza Alon with honors. She will also receive Conduct Award, Dish Gardening District Level, 1st place. Dish Gardening Cluster Level, 1st place. division level, 3rd place. Badminton Municipal Athletic Association meet, 3rd place. In drum wire competition, araw ng Malala, 5th place.
Nakalimutan ko sa
Academic
iyang
Excellence Award is given to
Dali, ganina.
Garcia Jaime Caguscos with honors. She will also receive Conduct Award, EPP Award, Food Preparation and Presentation, District Level, 1st place, and in cluster level, 1st place, and in division level, 2nd place. Academic Excellence Award is given to Obinia Jesime Jimena with honors. She will also receive Conduct Award, Volleyball Municipal Athletic Association mid-level qualifier, and drum wire competition, araw ng Malala, 5th place. Academic Excellence Award is given to Basiksig Aishea Ray Melisho with honors. She will also receive Conduct Award, AP Queen District Level, 6th place. Volleyball Municipal Athletic Association mid-level qualifier, and drum and wire competition, araw ng Malala, 5th place. Academic Excellence Award is given to Giasong Mary Edelyn Bihante with honors. She will also receive Conduct Award, Badminton Municipal Association mid-level 5th place. Drum and wire competition, araw ng Malala, 5th place. Academic Excellence Award is given to Lagrada Liza Nasin with honors. She will also receive Conduct Award, Filipino Story, Dahilawan, District Level, 6th place. Volleyball Mom mid-level qualifier, and drum and wire competition, araw ng Malala, 5th place. Academic Excellence Award is given to Hussein Chilean Dimple Potencioso with honors. She will also receive Conduct Award and Long Jump Municipal Athletic Association mid-level qualifier. Now, special recognition award is given to Aridinon Renly Median, Conduct Award in Basketball, Dr.